Welcome. Today I'll show you how to create a Fiverr account. First, open fiverr.com or the Fiverr app. Then tap the join or sign up button.
Enter your email address and create a strong password, or choose a supported sign-in option if available. Then continue to the next step.
Verify your email. Then complete your profile with a professional photo, your name, and a unique username.
Next, complete the seller setup if you want to sell services. Create your first gig with a clear title, description, pricing, and images. You're ready to start your Fiverr journey.
Before you start, use a professional profile photo, write a clear bio, verify your account, and create high-quality gigs. These simple steps can help you build trust with potential clients.
Congratulations! You now know the basic steps to create a Fiverr account and digital marketing tutorials. See you in the next video.